Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a redirect worker in Cloudflare. To get started, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Domains Overview area of your account. This is the main place where you can access services tied to your domains and manage tools available inside Cloudflare. If you are already signed in, you should see your account dashboard and the navigation options needed for this setup. Once you are on the Overview page, look for the Compute section and click on it. In Cloudflare, Compute is where you manage serverless tools and edge-based functionality. This is important because workers run on Cloudflare's edge network, allowing you to handle requests quickly and efficiently. For a redirect worker, this is especially useful since redirects can happen close to the visitor, helping improve response time. After that, click on Workers and Pages. This section is where Cloudflare lets you create and manage workers along with other application types. Since we are creating a worker-based redirect, this is the correct place to continue. If the interface looks slightly different from what you expect, take a moment to scan the page carefully, as Cloudflare occasionally updates layout and labels while keeping the same overall workflow. Next, click Create Application. This begins the process of setting up a new worker project. At this stage, Cloudflare is asking what kind of application you want to launch. For a simple redirect worker, you do not need anything complex, so the built-in starter option is a good choice. From the available options, click Start with Hello World. This creates a basic worker template for you. Even though the template says Hello World, it serves as a starting point for many types of workers, including redirects. Using this option is a quick and simple way to get the worker created without building the structure from scratch. Finally, click Deploy. This publishes the starter worker so it becomes active in your Cloudflare environment. Deployment is the step that actually creates the worker and makes it available for further editing and configuration. Once deployed, you will have a working foundation that you can later customize into a redirect worker as needed. That's it for the initial setup. You have now created and deployed a basic worker in Cloudflare using the Hello World template, which is the first step toward building a redirect worker. If you are following along in real time, it can be helpful to wait for each page to finish loading before moving to the next action so the process stays smooth and easy to follow.